So the scenario for this video is Joe filled out a Faith Promise communication card and expressed interest in serving in IT. The data entry volunteer or staff member input that information in Ministry Platform via the connection card tool. Doing this assigns a task in Ministry Platform to the primary contact of the opportunity wants to serve in IT. I am the contact person for that opportunity, so I am the one who got the task. So the first step would be to log into Ministry Platform, which will take you to the default landing location, which is the home screen, which is actually where the tasks are located. So as soon as you log in, you should see it. Another important thing to know is you will get an email notification when you receive a task as well, which looks something like this. And it's just a basic overview of the opportunity response. So go back to MP. It's also important to note that each day you will get an email reminder about how many tasks you have open in Ministry Platform. So once you're ready to work the task, you want to open it. And you don't want to do anything on this page, but you want to go to the third icon down. And this is just a brief overview of the opportunity response. To work it, you want to go to the attached record. And this is where you will be doing all your follow-up responses. So if you do not have the person's contact information, it's on the right-hand side over here under the contact card. And if you need some more detailed information, you can click the participant record jump link, which will take you to the participant record and give you some more details. So in my scenario, my first contact was on Monday, February 17th. I called Joe and left him a voicemail. So I'm going to notate that by clicking New. List the date and time. We'll say it was at 9 a.m. And I'll select the action, and you'll see the list of other actions here as well. So mine was a call. Once you're done making notes, you want to click Save. And click Close, and you'll see that the response is right there. So Joe actually never responded to my voicemail, so I sent him a text the next day. So I'm also going to notate that. Action was text. Click Save and Close, and you'll see it populated there as well. So the next day, Joe actually responded to my text, so I'm going to notate that, and he also is scheduled to start serving on February 23rd. Save, Close, and you'll see that populated there as well. So the weekend came, and Joe actually came and he did serve in IT, so I'm going to notate that. And then after that, I am going to complete this task because he has now been connected and he started serving. So I want to click New, and it was on the 23rd at 1 p.m. And we're going to click Other for this action because it's just notating that he came and served. Save, Close. You'll see that response is listed there as well. And once that is done, you'll click Complete up here, which will complete the task, and it will be removed from your home screen, as you can see there. And that completes the process.